In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the most important properties in VBA, which is resize. So the resize property in Excel, VBA makes a range, a specific number of rows and columns, large or smaller. The resize property always takes the top left cell. It means of a range as the starting point. Suppose you have selected a range as A1 to C4, and if you want to resize these two columns, so always it will take the left cells from the top left cell from the starting point. So it will take from A1. So let's see the VBA code. Okay, then you will able to understand how it will works. I have placed a comment button which you can find inside the developer tab, and click on insert and then take ActiveX comment button. Okay, I have already takes it, and right click, first click on design mode, then right click. View code, then the Microsoft Visual Basic editor will open. Okay, so what I have written here A1 C4. It means it will select A1 to C4 dot resize 3 2 dot select. 3 2 means it will resize 3 rows and 2 columns. So see how it will works. Just run the code. See, 3 rows it has been selected and resized, and only 2 columns A and B, and it's taking the starting point from the top left cell of a range. See, A1 as the starting range, so it's taken top left cell. Okay, so that means from A1. Suppose you want to resize the total single column. Okay, and you have omitted all the rows properties or any row specified. You did not specified any row. Here you can see in the place of row I have not written anything. Okay, so it will select A1 to A4. Okay, see how it works. See, it is selected A1 to C4. Suppose if you want to select 2 columns, then it will select 2. So that's it for this video. If you are new into my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like and share and comment. Thanks for watching.